The 1991 GMC Syclone, a high-performance pickup truck that has earned a legendary status among automotive enthusiasts. Join us as we explore the unique features, advanced engineering, and thrilling performance that make the Syclone a sought-after classic. Available now on Bring a Trailer. At the heart of the 1991 GMC Syclone lies a turbocharged and intercooled 4.3-liter V6 was factory rated at 280 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the turbocharged V6 produces exhilarating acceleration and seamless power delivery, providing an unforgettable driving experience. The Syclone features a sophisticated drivetrain setup, including a limited-slip rear differential and a Borg-Warner transfer case. With full-time, rear-biased all-wheel drive, and ripped its way to 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds, and on to an as-tested 14.1 seconds in the quarter mile. It could be even quicker when temperatures dropped. Lowered on a sport-tuned suspension with factory aerodynamics and fat BF Goodrich tires on 16-inch wheels, the Syclone is one tough-looking little truck. This example is in great condition both inside and out, and has had a recent service including brake work front and rear. The cab houses manually adjustable bucket seats trimmed in black velour with Syclone embroidery on the headrests, along with contrasting red piping on the seats and upper door panels. Amenities include air conditioning, cruise control, a cassette stereo, and power windows and door locks. The leather-wrapped steering wheel frames a 120 mile/hour speedometer and a 7,000 RPM tachometer with an inset boost gauge as well as gauges for coolant temperature, oil pressure, voltage, and fuel level. The 6-digit odometer indicates under 10,000 miles.